Hey, what is going on, guys? It is Larry here for Leroy Systems. About to head into the gym. But something came to mind as, again, I'm about to head into the gym. If you're a facility owner or a facility manager or somebody responsible for the day-to-day, what are you doing for your current members? Think about that. You put out sales, you put out, deals, you put out marketing stuff to attract new members. But what are you doing for your current members? AT&T learned this the hard way one year, where they put out a promo to attract new clients to AT&T, either a new phone or discounted monthly service, whatever. And it backfired tremendously because the current customers were like, what the hell? I've been a customer of yours for a decade and you didn't give me that deal. You're giving new people, $10 less than what I'm paying, and I've been here for 10 years. Not rewarding loyalty. So eventually AT&T got the hint when a lot of people were leaving to go to T-Mobile or Verizon or any other competitor. So now, if you notice, all of their deals, all of their ads are for basically everybody. If you want to upgrade your phone or if you want to get a new phone, it's for everybody. Current and new members alike. So they finally got the hint. So in your facility, in your studio or your CrossFit box or whatever, what are you doing for your current members? Ones who have already given you their time, their sacrifice, their money, have trusted you with their health, for the service you provide. What are you doing for them? Think about that. It's interesting. Very, very interesting to see. You don't have to give them deals all the time because that's how you lose money. But every now and again, give them a discount on a service that you provide. Or if you charge an annual maintenance fee or membership fee or just an annual fee, maybe for current members who have been there 5 years or more, you don't charge them as a way to say thank you. Think about ways to say thank you to your current members. Your current members are the lifeblood of your business. New members help your business grow. Think about that. All right, I gotta go work out. Have a good one, guys.